Okay, in this video I'm going to do problem number 19 in section 1.3. Social Security recipients receive an automatic cost of living adjustment, COLA, once each year. Their monthly benefit is increased by the same percentage that consumer prices have increased during the preceding year. Suppose consumer prices have increased by 5.3% during the preceding year. Then first express the adjusted monthly benefit of a Social Security recipient as a function of his or her current monthly benefit. So once again here we have a lot of words that could make this very confusing here, but the idea is very simple. If in the previous year consumer prices rose by 5.3%, then somebody on Social Security is going to get 5.3% more than they received the previous year. So they're going to get the old amount plus 5.3% times whatever that old amount was. So if we let B be the person's benefit from the previous year, they're still going to get that amount, but they're going to get something more than that. Now they're not going to get B plus 5.3% because 5.3% is a percent of something. It's not a value. It's not money in and of itself. So we need to give 5.3% of what they made last year in addition to what they made last year. And so that would be written as B, which was their original benefit, plus 0.53 or 53% of that original benefit. And they're going to, I made a mistake here. 5.3% is not 0.53, that's 53%. So I should have written 0.053 times B. That is 5.3%. So B plus 0.053B. And remember that we assume that if there's nothing in front of the B, it's a 1 there. And what we would normally do with this is we're going to factor out the B. B is a factor of both of those terms. So if we factor that out, hopefully that makes sense, we factor it out and we get 1 plus 0.053, which is just 1.053 times B. And so what that means is that the person's new benefit will be 1.053 times their old benefit or their previous year's benefit. And that will give them what they had last year plus an additional amount, a 0.053 times whatever they had added together. That's 1.053B. So that's the answer for letter A. For letter B, if Carlos Garcia's monthly Social Security benefit is now $1,020, what will his adjusted monthly benefit be? And all that's saying is that B, in this case, is equal to $1,020. And that would give us 1,074.06, which would mean his original benefit was $1,020, but with this cost of living adjustment, this year he's going to get as a monthly benefit $1,074.06. So that's how that would be calculated there. And that's the end of the questions I have at this point. So I will end this video here.